Choose me. Love me.
Okay, question. What do Netflix and your email campaigns have in common? Absolutely nothing. Until now. Think about this. Streaming services keep people glued to their screens for hours on end, yet most emails get ignored in seconds. But here's the good news. I've collected 5 simple tricks that Netflix uses that keep us watching, but that you can use within your email marketing strategies that are gonna allow people to actually open, read, and most importantly, click on your email links. Sound good? Cool. Now let's Netflix and skill our way through some email marketing hacks. Netflix and skill. Come on, that is some good stuff. Number 1, the cliffhanger subject line. You see, Netflix has mastered the art of suspense. Every episode ends with that burning question, what happens next? And that's why you end up watching 5 episodes of Stranger Things when you promise yourself that you were only gonna watch 1. I know you've been there. Your email subject lines need that same energy. So instead of having a title with something like November Update, think of something a little bit more enticing, like we've got big news, or the discount code in this email, gone in 24 hours. Make it enticing and make them need to want to open that email. Plus, with GetResponse's A/B testing feature, you can test these different cliffhangers faster than Netflix can cancel a show. Just saying. Next on our list, binge-worthy series, aka email sequences. Nowadays, streaming services don't always just dump 10 hours of content on you in one go. Okay, maybe The Crown did, but let's not nitpick. They often now drip feed you episodes or series, one at a time, to keep you hooked. In your email campaigns, same concept. Think of your emails like a mini-series. Here's the playbook. Episode, or rather email, number 1. Tease your offer. Something exciting is coming your way. Email number 2, reveal a deal. So something like 40% off. Email number 3, close it. This exclusive deal ends tonight. It's storytelling 101. Each email builds on the last, and your readers are gonna be totally hooked. And setting up automation within GetResponse, it's quicker than choosing between Better Call Saul and Breaking Bad for what, like the 15th time? Now let's talk personalization. You know how Netflix never suggests that you watch The Notebook because you're clearly more of a John Wick fan? That's personalization, friends. And you can do the same with your email campaigns too. Minus the Hollywood budget, obviously. With segmentation, the key is that you're not going to be dropping the same email to everybody. It's actually that you're going to be sending the right email to the right person. Let's say somebody always opens your content on social media but never touches the stuff on SEO. Boom. Now you know that they're a social media nerd, just like me. That means that you can automatically send them more of that content that they want to see. Power users? Hit them with exclusive offers. New subscribers? Warm them up with an intro series. And you want to know something really cool? With GetResponse's segmentation, you can group subscribers by interests, track engagement patterns, and send that personalized content based on behavior. That's right, we're that good. Okay, now to number 4, keep them clicking. Ever notice how Netflix just doesn't let you breathe before dropping that countdown button and then auto-playing onto the next episode? Sneaky, right? Well, your emails should do the same. While you can't force that autoplay action, make sure that your CTAs are really strong and encourage your readers to take action. Make them big, bold, and put them on top of your emails. Another thing to bear in mind is that Netflix is available on the go, so you can continue watching your stuff on different devices. And so should be the case with your email marketing. It's 2025, guys, come on, mobile optimization. And last, but certainly not least, data-driven optimization. You see, Netflix knows when we pause, rewind, or just bail mid-episode because, sorry, some of us just aren't into Emily in Paris. Creepy? Maybe. Smart? Absolutely. And guess what? You can do the same in your email marketing campaigns, but in a way that doesn't involve tracking people's bathroom breaks. With GetResponse, you can see who opened, clicked, or just flat out ignored your email. So if you're getting ghosted on your second or third email, it's time to mix things up. Remember, data isn't scary, it's actually your biggest weapon. So use it. So here's the thing. I've probably watched way too much Netflix, and that's why I'm making these comparisons. But hey, at least my binge watching actually led to something productive, Dad. So if you want to make your emails as addictive as those streaming services on a Sunday evening, then hop over to GetResponse and start making your emails something that people actually look forward to. Now, if you'll excuse me, I need to go back and start watching that show that I paused 3 minutes ago. Oh, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Or don't, I'm not your mum. But it would be cool if you did. You know I made that joke before about dad and all that stuff? I just want to be clear, I don't live with my parents. I'm a fully functioning adult. Cool. Just include that.